A biblical passage that captures my module to learning experience in RE03 on Catholic social teachings is Luke chapter 4 verses 18 to 19. The Spirit of the Lord is upon me, because He has anointed me to bring good news to the poor, to set the oppressed free. This verse reflects the core message of the module, which emphasizes the Church's mission to respond to social realities by promoting justice, compassion, and service to others, especially to the poor and the vulnerable. It reminds me that faith is not only about personal belief, but also about actively helping those who are suffering and working toward a more just society. In Module 2, we learned about the meaning and historical development of Catholic social teachings and how they serve as the Church's response to different social, economic, and political issues in the society. We also studied the 7 major themes of Catholic social teachings, such as the life and dignity of the human person, rights and responsibilities, solidarity, and care for God's creation. Through activities like creating a prayer space at home and designing an infographic about the 7 themes, the lesson became more meaningful and practical. These activities helped me understand how teachings of the Church can guide us in addressing real social issues. Through this module, I realized that Catholic social teachings are moral guides that help Christians build a more just and compassionate society. The lessons made me more aware of the needs of others and reminds me of my responsibility to respond with empathy and action. This learning helps me grow as a lectionite by forming to be a person who values human dignity, practices justice, and serves the community. It encourages me to be more responsible in my family, more participative in my community, and more mindful in caring for others and God's creation.